Today inside this video, we'll be playing Scary Baboon.
What's in here?
Okay.
Bring on.
Today we'll play Scary Baboon. Let's go. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. Let's go be playing Scary Baboon. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Okay. That was really scary. Okay. If you guys don't like loud, jump scares, click off the video because there is gonna be loud stuff. No. Okay. Let's go.
Y'all's going back.
No!
I've got the tracker.
Oh my god. Let's go. The tracker is important. Let's go.
I don't want it now. No.
Go now!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, how are you floating?
I just juked the monster.
Juke him.
There's monsters coming, Red. We have to go.
Close the door.
Pool area.
Yo, it's getting closer.
Is there monsters?
It's not coming.
Let's go check it out, guys.
19, 20. All right, it's good for now. 17, 16,
I will be
15.
in front. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna make it chase me. Come at me, monsters.
Might be cooked. You have 3.
I'm not. Come. Yee. Weave.
Where's the tracker?
Come at me, bro.
It's getting closer.
Come. These guys are slow.
Kill him.
No, chase after them. Bro.
Yeah, we're good, chat.
Chat, very good. Guys, oh shoot!
Green is not okay.
Are these stuck?
Nah, bro, we're good, chat.
Can I walk past?
Bro, green. Bro, green is not okay.
I'll be okay.
Oh nah! I have to get out of
Nah,
here.
bro, green is not okay.
Oh shoot, they're coming.
I'm telling you. Okay, guys, run. We got like 14 million monsters in here.
I have to get out the pool area.
Wait, I have basketball today? Let's. They're coming.
No, they're not. We're good.
Come on. Where are they?
Where are they? Whoa! Well, I just died again.
Well, then I'm not gonna duke you out. I don't want to kill you.
But I'm kidding. They were just like
Okay. So that was cool. How many are in
I
here?
don't like the monsters kill me. That's the problem here.
Okay. Close it. Close it. Where'd they go?
Guys, don't close it. Come on, Goofy.
Oh shit!
Connected.
Okay, guys. So that is the end of the video, and make sure you like and subscribe.
God dang it.
Bye.
That is just mods.